Okay, this week we're starting volume, and this week's notes will be much shorter because once you know how to do surface area, volume's actually easier. And we have most of the vocab out of the way, so that makes it nice. Alright, so all the vocab is the same for prisms. Bases are still base, heights are still heights, lateral faces are still lateral faces. Nothing has changed there, which makes this shorter. Formula for volume of a prism is just big B times H, but remember, big B is a shape, not a number, right? Big B stands for area of the base. Okay, so we'll go straight into examples this time. We're going to draw a square prism, so remember, draw kind of a slanted square, and then another one right on top of it, and then connect them. If I tell you that this is 7, and that's 8, and that's 6, we need to find our big B and our H. Our big B, we're using this as the base. Okay. Our big B is 7 times 8, which is 56. And our height is 6. So when we plug into our formula, V equals 56 times 6, which equals 336. Pretty simple so far. What about a cylinder? Again, big B and H. Big B is a circle. So we have pi r squared. Okay. Our r is not 14. Our r is 7. So we have 7 squared, which is 49 pi. And I forgot to put the h in the picture. That was 9. So our h is 9. So volume equals 49 pi times 9 gives you 1385.4. Like I said, once you master surface area, volume is really, really easy. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, the only thing that's going to be more difficult is if your base is a pentagon or hexagon. You might have some regular polygons or squares. The only thing that's going to make this any harder is the base. It depends on how hard the area of the base is to find. Everything else is easy. You don't have any slant heights to worry about. So if you need an example for a hexagon or a pentagon, just go back to your surface area notes, because I have examples there as well. And you can go all the way back to your area notes if you need more examples to look at. The only other thing in this section is composite figures. Okay. The composite figures in this section, I didn't talk about them in the notes, but you did see them in the homework on the surface area, and I'll probably talk about them in depth in class. Just keep in mind the composite figures for volume are much easier than surface area. Because remember, surface area, you had to figure out which surfaces were still visible and which surfaces were now hidden. In this case, it doesn't matter if they're hidden or not, because volume represents all of the space taken up. So all you do is just add up the volume. Okay? You find the volumes of each individual shape and add them up to get the composite one. And that's it.